Okay, so tuone namna ya kutumia Google Fonts kwenye project ya website. Okay, so Google Fonts ni fonts ambazo ni awesome. For example, hii ni login page. Okay, so unakuja kuona fonts zinazoonekana hapa ni tofauti na fonts zinazoonekana hapa. So hii ni default fonts. Okay, and hii ni Google Fonts are different. Default font and Google Font. Okay, so Google Font na ina apply kwenye uhuru website. For example, hii ni my website. Okay, so unaweza kuona hizi top navigations ni Google Fonts. Okay, when I click for example dashboard, okay, you can see Google Fonts. Hizi zote ni Google Fonts. Okay, so in our case tutatumia simple login page. Okay, so kwenye login page tutaweka hizi Google Fonts. Okay, so our login page ni hii hapa ambayo ni default. Okay, so now we integrate Google Fonts na tuna remove default fonts. Okay, so hii ni episode number 3. Kwenye episode number 2 just kutumia simple material alert dialog kwa kutumia free open source platform inaitwa ALERTIFY. Okay, so ALERTIFY ni hapo. Okay, so tuli integrate kwenye project yetu ALERTIFY. So ALERTIFY inafanya kazi gani? Ya kudisplay material dialog. For example, username and password are required kwa sababu zipo empty. When I put a username is Alice and password is 1 2 3 4. Okay, so I click login. Okay, welcome Alice. Okay, hiyo ilikuwa ni episode number 2. So kwenye episode hii tuone namna ya kuintegrate what ya Google Fonts, and final our project will look like this, and Google Fonts are very nice. And again, unaweza kuwa na project yoyote, for example this one, when I click logout, so you can see all messages are Google Fonts. Messages zote ni Google Fonts. Okay, so now utakuja Google, tutaandika now Google Fonts. Okay, so now choose Google Font. Okay, okay, so again you click the first link and browse Google Fonts. Okay, okay, so after then you come to our project. Okay, so kwenye project kwenye root level, for example hii ni library ya Bootstrap, hii ni JavaScript, hii ni ALERTIFY, hii ni sweetalert. Okay, so create a library, then a folder, then folder name will be a Google. Create a new folder, then name it as a Google. Okay, okay, so I open. Okay, so ndani nitaweka library za Google Fonts. Okay, so Google Fonts imekuwa opened now, na find desired fonts, for example Roboto condensed, then I click. Okay, after clicking now na kuja ku copy CDN. Okay, so CDN inaonekana upande wa right side. Okay, so naanza kwenye protocol HTTPS na select from HTTPS to swap portion here. Okay, then just to right click. Okay, and select copy. Okay, after copying now come to Google again. Okay, so come to web address bar. Okay, and then I paste it. Okay, after pasting now I just click enter to execute. You can see our library of Google Fonts. Okay, and then I right click. Okay, and I select it, select all, or Control A and then copy. Okay, after then come to Visual Studio Code. Okay, you can see Google. Okay, Google. Okay, so Google directory ya Google inaonekana huku ambayo tumeitengeneza Google hii hapa. Okay, so hii hapa kwenye Visual Studio Code. Okay, so right click and choose a new file. Okay, okay, so now andika just a font. Okay, .css, then click enter, then inside paste it and come to paste. Okay, you can see font face. So okay, and save changes. Okay, After then, when I navigate my library of Google fonts, okay. After then, na kuja integrate. Okay, so now inside Google, okay, inside Google, I right click again and choose a new file. Then I write it custom.css, okay. After then, kuja kwenye index.php, okay, my project, okay. So kuja ku include library ya Google Fonts and custom. Okay, so now, okay, so just come, so write a script, of course, link rel equal to, okay, link rel will be style sheet, so just copy it, okay, and come to paste. Okay, so now href, okay, equal to href equal to Google directory, so here write in Google directory, okay. So inside Google find custom.css, okay, so yes, custom.css, okay. Again I copy the same code, I come to duplicate, okay. So inside Google again find fonts.css, so now fonts, I delete a custom, okay, fonts.css, then I save changes. So inside custom.css, then I select custom.css. So inside the custom, okay, I just put star, okay, just put a star, then I just put a bracket. Star ina kwamba style hizi zitaenda ku apply katika whole page itakuwa applied na style za namna hii, okay. So now I come to Google, okay, let's say Google, okay. So nakuja ku copy upande wa right hand side, so CSS just copy it, this code, okay. Then you can specify size also. For example, you can increase, okay, size like this, okay, you can increase, okay. So now copy it and copy. So come to our project and then we can duplicate it. Okay, so font family roboto condensed sans serif, okay. So when I come to save changes to my project, so my project now ni default inaonekana hivi. So now try to refresh, okay. So sorry, okay. So now you can see text is imekuwa applied now in Google Fonts, look nice, okay. So come to our project after login key, login, where is login? So now put horizontal line, and then again come to custom.css and put color. So just put text color, okay, and put color here. Then just choose okay, just choose smoke, okay, let's choose silver and come to edit, okay, silver color, okay. So now save changes and come to refresh. Now page look nice, okay. So now is styles zitapia kwenye kila sehemu kwenye page yetu. So kama unavyoona login, okay, username and password, okay.